What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel Cyber404 Hackers, and in today's tutorial I came out with something very great. I'm gonna teach you how to hack websites from your Android and your Linux machine. So without wasting time, let's get started. In this tutorial we're gonna make use of the tool named SQMap. That's the tool I like to use when it comes to website attacking. So the first thing in website checking is to scan whether the website is vulnerable to our attack. So in this tutorial I'm simply going to teach you how to perform SQL injection. Okay, so to scan the website for vulnerabilities, you have to know Google Docking. So to do this, we don't need any special skills to scan for website vulnerability. We just have to know Google Docking to find the SQL injectable parameters. To do this, just open your browser and type www.google.com. And in this example, we'll use vulnerable.com. That's the website that was given to us for performing some tests. So I want to do this in a legal way. That's why I chose vulnerable.com, not to attack other people's website. We will attack the website that was given to us to test, to learn. We're using it, the vulnerable.com. So to do this, just type from your Google vulnerable.com and you see a lot of options so there, because in this lesson we want to learn about SQL injection. So find the link which is with the option MySQL, PHP, etc. So we'll click on Acquired, and then from there we just copy the link and we open a new tab. After opening a new tab, what we have just to do is to write the Google Docking command site and hyphen, and then we paste the link we have copied, and after that we add a / space PHP array equals to, hit enter to search, and after that you get links like test php.vulnerable.com / artist.php artist equals to 1. These are the type of links that we want. These ones. This is what we want. So after getting such links, the next step is to find out if these links are really exploitable. So to do this, we just have to open a new tab again, and then we paste the link and we add a single code this time. If we get any SQL error, which this means that the website is vulnerable to SQL injection, and we can begin our attack. Let's begin. To begin the attack, we need to have SQMap 2, because we are not going to perform manual SQL injection. We are going to use tools to perform this SQL injection attack. So in this tutorial, if you are using Android, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna teach you how to install SQMap. You can check my other tutorials for that on my website. And if you are using Windows, I will also not gonna show you how to install it. So now let's begin. If you are from Android, open your termux, and if you are on Linux, just open your SQMap 2. To do that on Linux, just navigate to your applications, and then you select database assessment, and then you select the two SQMap, and now we begin. As you can see, I put the termux commands on my left side and the Linux commands are on my right side. So I like operating on my Linux machine, so I will explain the Linux commands. But don't worry, the only difference between the termux commands and the Linux commands, as you can see, is that the Linux commands just start with SQMap, and the Python and the termux commands start with Python SQMap.py. That's the difference only. So let's begin. So the first thing you have to do is to type SQMap -u and you paste the link that you copied there that we say it is vulnerable to SQL injection, and then you add hyphen DBS. What this command just simply means, it means SQMap find all databases in test PHP vonweb.com artist.php artist equals to 1. That's what the command just simply says. And now the next command, after we found the database, you see you find two databases there, and in this tutorial we just make use of the database named accurate. So we just have to write the commands again, SQMap -u blah 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 etc, and then -d accurate, which means database accurate -table. So this command means that SQMap find all tables in database accurate. Simple. You get a sense? So the third command is this. We have found tables. We will see a lot of tables, but in this tutorial we just wanna hack the usernames and password from that website. So I think the table named users is perfect for us. See? So you just have to write your command again, SQMap paste the link -d accurate table users, and then hyphen column. So this command simply tells that SQMap find all columns in database accurate table users. Okay, now you find all the columns there, a lot of columns, addresses, emails, and so on. But I think in this tutorial, because we wanna hack usernames and password, the column you named username and password are prefixed to us, so we attack those columns one by one. So to do this, we start by usernames. So just type SQMap -u test php.vonweb.com /artist.php artist equals to 1 -d database accurate tables users column uname, and this time we add a dump because we want to dump the database. We now want to exploit the column. Okay, so when we hit enter and these commands run, you see it will start to exploit until finally you get the username is test. Okay, you get the username. Now what are you waiting for? It's now time to get the password. So to get the password, we just type SQMap -u test php.vonweb.com /artist.php artist equals to 1 database accurate tables users columns password and dump. After we write this command, you will see the password, and the password will be tested again. Now we have got what we want. We have got the username, we have got the password. So what are we waiting for? It's time to go and test if we got the correct results. But obviously the results are correct, so you just go back to the website and just try to log in with those results that you get from your termux or your Linux. So you just have to put the username as test and the password as test, and you see everything there. It will be there. If you are operating on a Linux machine, you can even find out your logs and where your passwords and username which you get from SQMap are stored. So it will show you that passwords, your details are stored in the database root, etc. And then you can just navigate to that location and you find out there that the log of what you did will be right there, and the results that you get, the password and usernames, will be stored there in the SQMap folder. Okay, that's it. So guys, if you like this post, subscribe to my YouTube channel Cyber404 Hackers and wait for more interesting video. And in the next video, I'm not gonna tell you, I'm gonna show you how I do it, so that if you get any challenges, you will see how I did it. Okay, good day to you all my viewers. Enjoy.